Welcome back. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to actually change this awesome web page that you just made. So right now, you've written some HTML, you saved it with a .html extension, and you've popped it open in the browser. Now what happens if you want to make a change to this page? It's really easy to do. All you do, let's say we want to make a change like this. Welcome to my awesome page. Obviously the page doesn't change yet. What you have to do is you give it a save. The file's been saved. Now you can go back to your browser. Now in your browser, you have two easy options here. Most browsers will have a little symbol like this that's basically called refresh or reload the page. So if I click it, it reloads the file that you were currently accessing. And so you get to see the changes. So the process you have here is usually you can make some changes, save, reload. And that's how the workflow goes when you're using something like Notepad with your browser. Now, another quick one you can do in most of the Windows programs is I just made another change. Instead of hitting this button, you can hit F5 at the top row of your keyboard there, and that's just a quick way to refresh. So that's sort of the workflow. Change, save, refresh, and then off you go.